Hi, I'm Julie Jarmiolowski.
And I'm Stephanie Benzer.
We're with the K Grant Group here in Scottsdale, Arizona, and we are so excited to introduce you to our latest listing here in Village Grove. As you know, Village Grove is located in the 85251 zip code. This beautiful home will simply blow you away. Are you excited about this one, Steph?
I'm excited.
Me too. Let's go take a look.
The stunning curb appeal of this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home will bring about a sense of joy that lingers as you walk through the front door. The main living spaces feature a welcoming layout, complemented by beautiful upgrades throughout. Bright natural light flows through the kitchen and into the 352 square foot Arizona room, allowing for year-round enjoyment. The private master feels like a retreat with a separate built-in vanity. Each of the bedrooms boasts sizable living space. The entertainer's backyard impresses with a sparkling swimming pool, a built-in barbecue and bar area, a putting green, and impressive landscape throughout. If that wasn't enough, this incredible property includes a 660 square foot casita with 1 bedroom, perfect for guests or family that come to visit.
So Stephanie, what did you think about that tour?
I thought it was amazing, and I love the casita in the back, the 1 bedroom, 1 bath casita.
Oh my gosh,
perfect.
660 square feet totally expands the uses for this home. What did you think? We can't wait to hear all about it. I'm Julie.
And I'm Stephanie.
We're with the K Grant Group, and we would love to show this home or any other home here in the Scottsdale area to you. Give us a call.